Hey guys, welcome back to Blogs Projects. Today we're working on this 2021 Kayo K2 230, and okay, we're going to be changing the engine oil on this thing. So to get started, we're going to drain it. It's going to be a 24mm socket right down here on this massive bolt right here. Yeah.
Nice. Good job. Okay.
Alright.
I'll get you a bowl.
Okay.
Got it.
Not to let everything fall. There's 3 things in here.
3 things in there? What do you got? What all you got in there?
I got the plug, we got the filter, and a spring.
Let's keep all that put together.
So, just like that.
Just like that. Okay, so let's see what we got here. We've got a little filter.
Yep.
Spring. Just keep that all in the same direction it was, I guess.
Yep. That's how it went, so.
Okay, just like that.
Yep.
That drain out.
Yeah. Let this drain, and then we'll go ahead and fill it through. Fill a hole at the top.
Nice. It's pretty, that's pretty dark oil.
Sure is. Yeah.
Okay, well, I guess that's pretty much empty.
Yeah.
Not gonna get any more empty. So
Nope.
put that back in the way it came out.
Yeah. All in just like this. There we go.
Threading?
Yep.
So like hand thread it for a little bit, make sure you're good. Don't cross thread anything.
Yeah.
Feel smooth?
Yep.
Okay.
Sure does. Okay.
Pretty simple little process.
Sure is.
I don't know what a shop would charge, but
I don't know.
total cost of this will be probably about $10 for some oil. So
Probably pretty good, right?
yeah. Yeah.
Yeah.
Probably should be pretty good.
Yeah.
So let's wipe that off so we can know if we're leaking.
Yep.
Yeah, give you a couple of wipes to make it super clean, and then we'll know if we're
Hole right here. Just gonna.
that's where we're gonna fill it up.
Yep. That's just. We're gonna fill it up right through there. So.
Okay.
We get a funnel.
Funnel.
Here.
And let's see what kind of oil we got. We got 10W30 with this Lucus 10W30, because why not? It's gonna take maybe a quart at best. So
All right. So we found this cap off of a thing of transmission oil. So we just thought that'll fit in there. So cut this piece off of it. So and then this fits.
okay.
So that right in there.
Yeah, I'll say it's gonna have to go really slow,
Yeah, it is.
but you know, it's something.
It's something, yeah. All right. So. It's not leaking or anything.
Yeah, I'm watching it. Just make sure you're going slow. I think we'll be all right. Looks like a pretty good speed because it's not. So this thing has a very odd dipstick. It's plastic. And it's really hard to read.
Yeah, sure is.
As you can see, who knows? It's really difficult to read that. Because it's black, which is helpful. And then the oil was black, so it's just like you gotta look for, you know, wetness basically.
Yeah. So, did we already dry this off and stuff?
Yeah, we can dry it off.
You can't really see anything.
Yeah. Well, it's not wet, so
Yeah.
I'd say it needs more.
Okay. All right. So here's just finished doing it. So we're just gonna screw it in here and then check it. Seems to do a lot better when we screw it in. I think that's the correct way to check it here.
I doubt the camera's gonna show.
Yeah. How it is, but there it is. It's about perfect on there. So
Okay, call that good.
there you go.
There's your first Kayo 230 bike that I got from who knows where. It's been beat up pretty good, but
Yeah.
that's what they're for. They're made to be beat up, so.
Yep.